This is the book of Second Ezra, chapter 9 and verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people of the world. This is the book of Psalms, chapter 18. Verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, the foundations also of the hills were moved and were shaken because he was wroth. Shalom, first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a recent earthquake from volcanodiscovery.com as of Thursday, December 14th, 2023, by Earthquake Monitor, and it reads significant magnitude 5.8 earthquake of 79 kilometers southwest of Escuintla, Guatemala. It says the European Mediterranean Semi-Altude Century EMC reported a magnitude of a 5.8 earthquake in Guatemala near the Escuintla Municipalidad de Escuintla Departamento de Escuintla only 8 minutes ago. The earthquake hit in the morning on Thursday, December 14, 2023 at 11:55 a.m. local time at a moderate shallow depth of 60 kilometers. The exact magnitude epicenter and the depth of the quake might have been revised within the next few hours or minutes, as the semi-altude reviewed data and refine the calculation or other agencies issued their report. Our monitoring service identifying a second report from the German Research Center from Geoscience GFC, which listed it a quake of a magnitude 5.6. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake probably felt by many people in the areas of the epicenter, and it should not have caused significant damage or other than objects flying from shells, broken windows, and etc. And this is the book of Isaiah. It's the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flames of iron fire. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from volcanodiscovery.com. As it says, significant magnitude 5.8 earthquake of 79 kilometers southwest of Guatemala. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and until next time, I will say Shalom.